Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you software that help you to how to post story on Facebook page. So here, this is my software that I use. So you can see this software has account management. The function will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook accounts. So you can see in the manage page, here will help you to manage multiple Facebook page in your account. Here you can see on the page that you have in your account. Next to how to post story, you will need a content, so I will go to content management. Here you can add the content in here, so you can choose the type that you want, like story, reel, article, comment. So I will choose story. So you can choose a type like document, image, or video. After you're done, you can press save to save your content. So after you have a content, I will go to post function. Next, you can see here is many options in here, so I will choose the story posting function. So first, I will choose the account that have the page that I want. I will choose here. Next, I will set up the distance between two actions from 5 seconds to 10 actions. Next, I will choose the content that I already added in the content management. And I press save. Okay, after everything set up, I will press begin and let the software do the work. So you can see the process in here. So I will let the software do the work and go check the story that already posting done. So I will go to history of posting. So I will take the link in here. So you can see this have the link. So you take copy it. And I will go to Facebook and check it. So you can see this story that I already bought with my software. And the software is still working. So basically it just shows you how to automatically post story on Facebook page. If you need more information, please contact me by Telegram, WhatsApp. The detail I pin down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more to the channel.